Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to access Google Photos. And firstly, you need to open Google Photos application. If you have iPhone, you need to go to the App Store and click right here at the search, and at the top, or if you have iOS 26 at the bottom, at the search line, write Photos. It will find you Google Photos and you need to install it. Then open it and you need to sign in into your account. So you can enable or disable backup. Let me disable it, and later I will show you how to enable it when you sign in. But you can already enable backup. So continue. I don't need notification. You can click allow, it's up to you. Then click continue and allow full access. So right here we have it. Did we use the correct account? Yes. Now how to enable backup? If you didn't before, just tap at your profile icon, click turn on backup, and right here you have two options, so storage saver and original quality. I'm going to use original quality, but if you want more space, you can use storage saver, especially that this application share 15 gigabytes free space with Google Drive, Gmail and Google Photos. So it's up to you. If you want to select storage saver, just tap this line. But as I said, I'm going to use original quality. And confirm. Okay, now you have access, so you can use the photos to find your photo, or you can use the search and write right here, let's say, doc. And we have it. Also, you have collection, you have access to it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.